Wednesday, February 26th, and Dad is doing the last little tasks here. He's got both headlights in now. He's got the front bumper installed with the hook that has all been painted. All the plastic is off the bottom here. He's got all the dunnage removed. He's just installed the pull hooks for the doors on one door there for sure. See if it's on the other one. Probably is. Yeah, the other one's there. And he's got one gas tank installed. Let's see if he's got the other one installed. Probably. Yeah, other gas tanks installed. He's now working on the back here. Well, he's got the guards in for the gas cap on both sides. This is brand new for the rear lights. Dad's got an issue here with the wiring we got to figure out too, because they only work on low beams right now, but he'll get that figured out. And he's going to put in the lights. Yeah. So he's got the one light here he's doing some wiring on. Probably has to do the other one tomorrow, and that could be possibly the last task. But all the dunnage is removed here. And like I said, all the plastic is gone. Little dog is happy. Little cat is fat. And well, we'll let Dad finish off what he's doing there right now, and then we'll check back in. But this is tomorrow, maybe the next day. We're rolling out of the shop for the first test run. We're gonna roll around the yard here first, and then we're gonna go through the field. Lots of deep snow, and then Dad's gonna take it out on the river. So we're gonna do an in-action field test video here, plus also on the river where he opens it up. So Dad's just showing Peter the light. You want to test it out for the guys here, see if it's bright enough. Holy fuck, yeah, that's bright. Yeah. Okay, so we're happy with that then.
He's the owner.
Okay, so one more to install. Dad's gonna have to do it on that side there tomorrow. There won't be too much time today. So that's that on that. And we're just watching this one video of a guy that just lost his Bombardier through the ice. So
where it is.
I don't know, I'll have to figure it out.
You know, when he's seen all that water on top of the ice, it should have given him a hint, eh?
Yeah, and on the slush too.
Like, we would follow the good ice until we found a place to cross.
Yeah, but whatever, it's his machine. So anyways, so yeah, Peter's happy. We were worried that the wiring was not the best, but Peter got it. He's happy with it, and so
only works on low beam.
Only on low beam.
Yeah. Give you an
That's what I was mentioning. I thought that
hey, go look again.
I'll go look again. So that's what we need to fix, is making sure it only it actually works on both high beam and low beam. Yeah, nothing. So we got to figure that out.
Randy's going to be here on the 28th.
Okay, so that's 2 days from now. I'm sure we can do a test run in between. We still got to fix the tack, right? Yeah. Okay, so tack still needs to be fixed. Wired, sorry. And so that'll be a day for Randy, and then but we can do the test run in the in-between. So that's it for today, guys. And there's my Filipino Emily. She just had all her treats. Schooner shop dog. And Charles in charge is not going to come out of his doghouse. It's too damn cold. I'll eat my treats in here. So a little bit of snow here today for these guys, and they're happier than hell. Are you having a hot flash? Is that why you're laying in the snowbank? Hey, my old dog.